Good evening, Professor. My name is Isabella Angel, and this is my presentation.
Sample, article review, and scales of measurements by Isabella Angel. Sample and population. Population. The aim of this study was to investigate the use of melatonin in children and adolescents. Sample, prescribed drug. Register was analyzed for Swedish children and adolescents from 0 to 19 years old. Variables. Independent variable. The utilization of melatonin for treatment in youngsters with rest beginning issues as well as trouble awakening, however, not for rest support issues. Dependent variable. The consequence of melatonin treatment, patients won't have more rest and troubles in not enough. Hypothesis. The new hypothesis, there is no correlation between rest issues or obstructive rates of apnea and the utilization of melatonin day by day portion. Alternative hypothesis. There is correlation between the study of rest issues or obstructive rest apnea and the utilization of melatonin day by day portion. Bias in research. Not enough and rest apnea are regular manifestations for an individual who has neurodevelopmental disorders. B. That as it may with melatonin was uncovered that it diminishes the normal side effects. Levels of measurements. Nominal. Age and gender. Ordinal, the first amount of daily dose. In interval, bedroom temperature of patients 40-45 Fahrenheit degrees. Radio, the level of anxiety due to the sleep problems. Sampling procedure. At this moment, the investigation model from people who was poured down from youngsters and teenagers 0 to 19 years of age. During 2005 through 2013, the sample for the investigation was chosen arbitrarily. The scientists isolated the members into gatherings young men and young ladies and was expanding around 5% in 2006 to around 14% in 2013. Information is in the register is arranged in the age bunches 0, 4, 5, 9, 10, and 14, and 15 through 19 years. Occurrence melatonin clients were characterized utilizing a year washout period. Data analysis was examined for youngsters and youths 0 to 19 years of age in Sweden during 2007 through 2013. Information is registered is arranged in the age bunches 0, 4, 5, 9, 10, 14, and 15 to 19 years. Information incorporates ministered things and assumed date of corporeality, age, sex, and individual ID number of every patient. Melatonin clients were characterized utilizing a year washout period. Findings. The examination found that the utilization of melatonin among kids and teenagers 0 to 19 years was expanding during the years 2006 to 2013. The quantity of new clients in 2013 was 4,296 and 3,093 among young men and young ladies. The investigation likewise demonstrate that the same clients of melatonin who simultaneously were normal clients of drug for ADHD. Protection of human rights. In this examination, the information for the investigation was removed by the National Board of Health and Welfare, who settled on the statutory choice that the information could neither straightforwardly nor by implication be credited to a particular individual. and that capacity a choice by moral counsel can so as to report the discoveries further. Prospective budget used to pay to participate, therapies, research materials, pay to employees, and others. Reference. In this research, the author relied on 26 articles from 2010 to 2015 to develop a search based on children and adolescents aged between 0 to 19 years old who were using melatonin regularly. The author was looking for articles based on melatonin for management of sleep disorders in children and adolescents.